video, I'm going to show you how to make a pony paint. So you can do whatever colors you want. And show me what yours looks like. And then I'll just love it if it looks like mine. This is a sun catcher craft. So you need your paint, some water, a brush, some paper, so it doesn't drip everywhere, and you also need this. So I'm going to open one of my paints. I mixed red and white to make pink, and I now mixed blue and red to make purple. Okay, I'm going to paint now. Let's see, let's do here. I'm going to put a ribbon through it and hang it on the wind so the sun can go through it.